How can you turn off Apple Watch sound warning? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. Well, this has to be managed through the iPhone, not necessarily from the Apple Watch. So you get inside the Watch app on the paired iPhone, and from the list of options, you go to notifications specifically, and you can see some general notification settings at the top, but then a list of individual apps. So you have to go through them and find the N, like it's sorted alphabetically, and click on a noise. And that is basically the thing that you are interested in, right? So you just probably want to turn it off or choose the decibel meter, right? So you can, at first, at the top, we have the toggle for a sound measurement. Perhaps you don't want to turn that off because this is not necessarily notification. It's just deciding whether or not your watch will measure the sound, right? So I would keep that turned on, but I would go to the noise threshold and choose it to be off, right? So it is literally telling you that off means no notifications. So you want to pick that, and I would just, keep the Apple Watch measuring my audio levels around me. I guess that's useful, but perhaps you don't want to be notified about different, the levels or threshold of the audio. So yeah, that's how I would do this. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Subscribe for more upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you in the later one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.